welcome back. Green Moment Monday. I have a new episode. I'm answering a question from a viewer about Breathe Again. I have a bunch of tips regarding Pan Away and then a crazy good deal coming from Young Living that's time sensitive. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments. I'm glad you're enjoying these Green Moment Mondays, where it's a lot of information packed into one episode and then sharing with you guys kind of, current information, but it's not live, so you don't have to catch me live and I'm not distracted with all the comments. So today I'm going to answer a question from Kristen Moresi. She says, I got a rash when I put on Breathe Again on my neck, chest. Can this be diffused? So, Kristen, let me give you some of my experience, and then what I definitely want to hear from is you guys in the comments. See if we can help Kristen with this question, and what do you guys do? So, I've had the same experience when I was applying Dream Again, and lucky for you, you didn't film a video about it when this happened. I filmed a video and asked my viewers, my wonderful friends who love essential oils, for your advice. And what I got was advice from my wonderful viewers here on YouTube, but also a ton of haters that were using me as an example of how to not use essential oils. It was horrible. I have since taken down that video. Those of you that are lucky enough to see that, yay, it was horrible. But I just underestimated that there are people that are awful out there in the internet, not just wonderful friends who want to help each other. So what I've learned through that experience is use a carrier oil. And this does have a carrier oil in it, but you may need more. I would apply less, and then maybe even look at the ingredients in here. I know that there's myrtle and different eucalyptus oils and Laurus nobilis, and maybe try just one of those and see how you react, and do it in a small amount. Use a carrier oil. My favorite is fractionated coconut oil because it stays liquefied and doesn't harden when the weather gets a little bit colder out. But use your favorite carrier oil. It's a fatty oil, for those of you that don't know, like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, something like that. And use a lot of that and a few drops of this. I wouldn't diffuse this because this actually has some fractionated coconut oil in it. So those are my tips. Guys, let's help her out, and other viewers too that are maybe more sensitive to an essential oil and how we can use it better. So the time-sensitive news, if you've seen, it's all over Instagram, all over Facebook. Young Living is offering 10% off their starter kits. If you are already signed up with Young Living, sorry, got an itch, you can get 10% off your starter kit, or a kit that comes with the diffuser and all the oils. So it's good for everybody. So if you want to get another diffuser for your room or for your house, amazing. I have a diffuser in almost every room of our home. This would be a great way to get one of the beautiful diffusers that are so nice, and you get to choose which one, and then you get your 11 essential oils, you get a sample of Ningxia, and if you are not signed up, this is the time. Young Living does not do discounts like this often. Sign up, click the link down below, join our team, get 10% off your kit, and you will not be sorry. So exciting. Leave me a message, leave me a comment. It ends tomorrow, so you have to jump on it. One of the oils from that kit is actually the oil we're talking about today. We're talking about Pan Away. So I'm going to share with you guys some tips. If you wanted to buy this retail, it's $46, and wholesale, this is $35. But they sell it in a bigger bottle, a 15 milliliter, and retail that goes for $104, and wholesale is $74. So Pan Away is very, very expensive, unless you're getting the 5 milliliter. But it's a very popular blend by Gary Young. So Gary Young, who's the founder of Young Living, formulated this one. And it's refreshing, invigorating. It has a cooling sensation. So here are the oils that is in this blend. We have wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. And like I mentioned, you don't have to pay for this one separate. You can get it in the starter kit. I've bought multiple starter kits over the years, and that's how we've gotten different diffusers in the house. But also, it just gives you all those basic oils that you want to use over and over again. So if you want to apply this topically, you do 1 drop of this essential oil, and you do 4 of a carrier. So we just talked about that, carrier oils and essential oils. You want to dilute this one. It's pretty potent. It's pretty strong. Young Living recommends it's not for 6 years and under. They say it's great for loud, crowded spaces. It's great for your temples. It's great for when you're in traffic. It's a great oil to massage for your shoulders. They also say that you could do 10 drops of this oil in Epsom salts and then put it into your bath, and it's really, really great. This oil is the essential oil that made my mom a believer of essential oils. She works in her garden. She works really, really tough, and she applied this to her knees and found it very, very helpful. And those of you that garden know you're getting up and down, and Panaway was a really good one for that. So if you guys have a compliance story, suggestion, tip to help others want to learn more about Panaway, leave it in the comment section below. I love hearing your stories. Oh, as I drop it. I love hearing your stories. Leave us your suggestions too about Breathe Again. And then if you have a question you need answered, I will pick another question for next Monday. So leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you need your first starter kit, you haven't signed up yet, make sure you click the link down below and join our awesome expanding team. I'll add you to our private Facebook group. And I would love to walk this oily journey with you. All right, thanks guys for taking the time to watch. And I will see you Thursday with a new video, and Friday. And on Monday, today, and Wednesday, we have new videos on the vlog channel, Madero Vlog Moments. And today I'm sharing, we did a quick 3-day Disney trip last month, and so I'm sharing that video on the vlog channel, so it's pretty fun. So if you want to see what we did in 3 days at Disney, it's crazy. That's over on Madero Vlog Moments. All right guys, thanks so much. Hope you have a good Monday, and don't miss the sale. It's over tomorrow. Okay, bye.